Welcome. I'm Tim Hartley, the host of the Insightful Professor channel. On this channel, I'll be presenting videos to share my knowledge and experience working with computer technology. We'll be posting videos at different levels of detail so that regardless of your current understanding of technology, you'll find something that's appropriate. Now, the videos that we'll be posting will be classified as, say, quick high-level overviews. We'll have detailed presentations where these are based upon lectures that I presented to college or university students or perhaps the IT professionals. And we'll also have tutorials that show how to accomplish some specific task when working with the technology. How long do these videos run? Well, the videos will range from, say, 10 to 20 minutes for overviews and tutorials, and often they'll be an hour or longer for detailed presentations. I hope your needs and interests are addressed by our channel. Thanks for stopping by.